What's the name of this?
Yeah?
What's the name of this one?
Murtabak. The name is Murtabak.
So can I have chicken?
Yes, can. Wait now.
Chicken will be ayam.
Yes, chicken ayam, yes.
What we say for
You have to. Sama. You want chicken? You want? Hi.
Because I will eat now.
You want to eat now?
Yeah.
You want to hold like this?
Yeah, you can.
What?
Yeah, like this.
Like this, huh? I put here?
Yeah.
Or no? Because hot.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Terima kasih.
Okay, sini. Sama-sama kasih.
So this one I already forgot name. Onion. Yep. Like a egg curry. Chicken. So let's go. This one onion. Yeah. Ah. I don't know how to eat this. So let's go. You want to try?
Pusing lu. Nak ada cuti. Hampir.
Oh.
Oh.
So much chocolate.
Okay. Which one? This one, let's go. Why it's green? Matcha. Oh, this one? No? Chocolate? Stop. What's this? Mango and?
Ini Bagi apa ni? Kuah rojak. Mana kicap apa? Itu kicap.
Icha.
Dia
Kicap.
pedas-pedas.
So let's go. This is with Icha. You want?
Ketchup, they just don't know how to. It's chili.
Chili bagoong?
Yeah. They just don't know how to say it.
You take this one? Yep. You're gonna try. Yeah. Is it baby shrimps?
Ini kicap spicy.
Spicy. Yeah. You got blue eyes or it's contact rice?
Same. Blue eyes.
Blue eyes. Look. Nice. So nice cut.
Philippines.
Yeah, travel. How much?
10 ringgit. Okay, thank you.
Terima kasih.
Oh, terima kasih sama-sama.
Thank you. Hello. This one, pancake. Sushi. Yeah, sushi always good. And grill. Yeah. Grill. This one, traveling lemonade. Yeah. Oh, this one with this plum. Salty. Murtabak. Murtabak, I already eat. Sweet things. Is it mango?
Corn.
Corn.
Yeah. You want to try?
Yes, sir. Already try too much. And yeah. Chicken, rice sauce, cucumber. Słoneczko. Oh, and my flip-flops are hungry. Short chicken everywhere. I wanna just one brownie. I will eat now. Słoneczko, you want?
No.
And this one. Yeah. That's it.
RM50.
Terima kasih.
Thank you.
Terima kasih.
Tahu begini, 3, 5 ringgit, 6, 10. Chicken yang ni.
Open this one. Because I don't have. But sweet and spicy. So this is baby shrimps, crab meat with sugar and some spices. Is it salt?
Sugar.
Sugar. Salt, sugar, and pepper. Here is like a Filipinian taho, but here, tau, What's the name of this one?
One pack 2 ringgit.
That's the whole.
Okay.
You wanna try?
Adik, ni pen jatuh.
What's the name of this?
Soya bean.
And in Malaysian language?
Yes, sweet.
This one looks like
Banana
pancake
cream.
with
Yeah, something like pancake.
pancake and maybe egg, white from egg, smash it. Yeah?
Yeah. Got egg. Got egg, got sugar,
Terima kasih.
Nasaan? Nasaan?
She is Filipino.
Oh, I see.
Looks similar, yeah,
Yeah.
to Malaysia.
Asian.
To Malaysia, yeah. RM2?
RM2. Thank
Must be
you.
nice for tea.
Yeah. Tea or coffee?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Salamat. Oh, terima kasih. Salamat.
Ayah Adam Sabara. Ayah Adam Sabara.
Doesn't know what you should to try, but fish looks good as well. Let's go. Nice. And we got kind of storm. In Penang. Other people as well. And I got everything wet, so I'm moving. And we got around 1 hour to our place.